One symbiotic relationship is the one of the barnacle and the humpback whales. A barnacle is like a type of bacteria. When the barnacle reaches the last stage, they settle onto the skin of the whale, where they complete their metamorphosis into juvenile barnacles. They protect the whale and help on the whale's feeding. And that's one of the symbiotic relationships, and it's commercialism. Another example of a symbiotic relationship is the one of the whale and the marine bird. The whale makes some bubble clouds. These clouds trap and drive small fishes to the surface, providing an opportunity for the marine birds to have food easily. And this is a commensalism relationship. And the last relationship that we are going to tell you about is the one of the dolphins and the humpback whales. This is a mutualism relationship because they always migrate together and all. They protect each other of predators. Climatic factors such as temperature, light, and soil can influence a species' ability to survive. Every species is able to survive within a range of each of these factors. These factors produce their habitat, and they produce them all the necessarily materials to live.
Kate reporting from the National Geographic Studio in Gorgona Island, located in the Pacific Ocean. Today, my special guest is...
Hello everyone, I'm Sally Cushbin. How are you today?
Hi Sally, great, how are you?
I'm fine. How's your experience here in Gorgona?
It's been a long journey, but I'm here safe.
That's great.
Yes, so I'm very glad to have you here so you can answer my questions for the documental we're doing in Gorgona, humpback whales, and feedback.
Thank you.
My first question is, why, when, and where do the humpback whales migrate?
Yeah, they migrate from south to north because of the climate and to have their little babies. If you were lucky enough, you got the chance to see them while you were traveling here on the boat. You could see the baby whale behind the mother whale and while she was teaching him or her some tricks.
I wasn't that lucky, I just saw a little baby coming out, but nothing else.
Oh, I'm so sorry for you.
Okay, what is the role and adaptations of the humpback whale in its environment?
They have lots and lots of adaptations. One of them is the fluke fintail, which helps them to move faster while migrating. And they also have throat groups, which help them filter water away from their prey.
That's interesting. So the their fin,
The fluke fintail.
yeah, the fin in their tail like speeds them while they're migrating. So that's an advantage for them. Oh,
It's very helpful.
yes. Can you tell me some behavioral and physical characteristics of the humpback whale?
Sure, and they have many, but one of them is that they leap to the surface for breeding or to teach their babies, and they have a magical sound to communicate with each other.
And how can you describe the humpback whale's habitat?
Well, first of all, they're always in the ocean, surrounded by lots of plants and small animals, and they are also surrounded by animals which are migrating with them, such as dolphins and marine turtles.
With what other specific species do they live?
They can live with bottlenose dolphins, right whales, and marine turtles, and also they live in a space where you can find plankton, which is what they eat.
So that's all. You answered all my questions. Thank you for your time, and it was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure to be here answering your questions.
Okay, bye.
Bye, thank you. was a trip that impacted our lives in many ways. We had never connected to nature that much and we were impressed by it. It was amazing how trees were damaged and just started recovering 30 years ago, but they managed to grow back faster than ever. We will never forget this island and the magic experience it gave us.